Hi everyone, my name is Danny Gordon and I am a local artist and illustrator, and one of my favorite things to do is to teach art to children. I particularly like teaching them the process of creating art. One of my favorite places to teach children art is the Oklahoma Contemporary Art Center, and one of my favorite subject matters to teach is mystery character cartoons. Mystery character cartoons actually involves the wheel behind me. So how this works is I spin the wheel 3 times, and whichever 3 character traits the wheel lands on are the 3 character traits that the kids must incorporate into their designs. So within this experience, there is a 4-step process. Okay, it starts out with conceptual sketches, and then it transitions to color comps. And from there, it goes to the transfer stage, and finally, the final steps or stage. So I'm going to show you how all that works and how it all fits in together. The really cool thing about the camp is that at the very end of the camp, each student gets their design printed on a t-shirt that they can wear and sort of brag on to their family and friends. Okay, so now I'm going to spin the wheel to show you how this works, okay, and find out which 3 character traits I'm going to have to draw for this example. So here's spin number 1. Okay, so I've got to draw an eye patch. So my character has to have an eye patch. So here's spin number 2. So my character also has to have 3 eyes, which means one eye is going to be covered up with the eye patch. So an eye patch and 3 eyes. And here's the final spin. Okay, so the last character trait I have to draw are dragon spikes.